My first scambaiting video turned out to be quite successful, and I'm glad that you enjoyed it. However, I realised that you, the viewers, might also want to attempt email scambaiting, so I've put together a list of tips. I recommend using Opera. It's a web browser that comes with a VPN built in, which you can turn on in the browser settings. VPNs hide your IP from other internet services, meaning that it's very difficult to track you. There are many services out there that will provide you with free email inboxes, but I would not recommend using the well-known ones. Gmail, Outlook and Yahoo have very detailed sign-up pages and processes, where they need personal details about you, such as your phone number. If you want to spend some money on a burner phone, then by all means, you can do this, but I'd recommend using a free email service such as mail.com. Be warned that many email providers might potentially block you for responding to scam emails. My Jorgen Blorgensen inbox was deactivated by mail.com, but I contacted them to get it reinstated. This is paradoxically the hardest part of scambaiting, as getting spam on a fresh email can take some time. I suggest signing up at a website called muggleguestbook.com, which gets scraped for email addresses every few weeks, and those are then sold on to scammers. Another good option is searching for product testing and surveys online. Some of these websites, when you sign up for them, sell on your email addresses to scammers. The more you sign up for, the higher the chance that you'll get spam. Spam multiplies at an exponential rate in your inbox. As soon as you reply to a few, you'll begin to see more and more very quickly. Never give out your personal details, and do not use your personal inbox. This is very important. I would always suggest making up a character and using their details when responding to spam. As soon as they have something about you, then these criminals might be able to find out who you actually are, and you definitely don't want that. Responding to scammers is a refined skill that everyone does in a different way, and there's many different methods of handling a scammer, but you have to remember that the primary objective here is to waste their time. Don't let them know that you're aware of what they are doing, act as gullibly as you can. Don't correct their mistakes, but exploit them. They might phrase something in a way that's open to interpretation. Try and slow them down as much as possible and annoy them by asking stupid questions and providing anecdotes which have nothing to do with the conversation. Respond to any comments where they seem irritated with complete fury. They'll often give up with you, but that's a good thing, and it might make them think twice about contacting someone else again. Advanced scambaiting. Now here's where it gets fun. If you have any information about the scammer, such as their IP or bank account details, then I recommend posting on scammer.info or contacting the bank with which they have an account. You might be able to get the account closed, and this will be a major inconvenience to the scammer. If you choose to embark on a scambaiting adventure, please let me know in the comments. I'll be looking forward to reading some. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.